What's up, fucker? It was a good day today. Um, even though I'm not up crazy and the action overall was kind of shit, I was able to capitalize on the brief period of good movement that we had and momentum that we had. So I'm happy, and my goal of having a higher win percentage equaling a higher profit factor was completed as well. So I'm very happy with how today went. I'm green 80 bucks. 57% win rate, which is a lot higher than it has been. I've been averaging like 47 for the first 2 weeks of this month, so pretty happy about that. And pretty much all my profit, except for I think 3 bucks, came from ANTE or ANTE, ANTE. A little bit on GLMD, and then the rest I'm just fucking break even on. But I'm happy with that, cause as you'll see, let me go back to market open here. Stream every day, by the way, every weekday. As you'll see, even though I shit the bed early on a lot of these names, I couldn't really catch the get the flow of how they were moving. That's me sitting down for my meditating. Where is market open? Okay. Like I was saying, even though I wasn't able to capitalize on the names that were moving off open, maybe even up to 45 an hour and open. I'm not sure how long it took for ANTE to start going, but even though I wasn't able to capitalize on the early movers, I bided my time. I stayed patient. I waited. I stayed around break even. I didn't go crazy red. And once there was something moving that I was able to do well on, and that I liked the movement of, I pushed more there and got all my profit there. So NAOV was the first one. I was looking at, I think it was a top gapper.
Oh no, I'm gonna get randomly filled on this thing.
Trying to sell there, which would have been break even or a 1 cent win or whatever it would have been.
Uh-oh. Oh, I'm stuck, yeah.
Got stuck in it early on. Got me out at 87
Oh
for a 4
God.
cent loss.
I just got filled at 390.
Not the hottest start, and in the past that would have
now it's gonna go. Why is this happening?
tilted me a little more, but
Besides though. Okay, 70.
Yeah, a lot of these names are just kind of like whatever. Like I could have done better, but I'm not that mad that I didn't, just because
CRBO.
Yeah,
following suit with how the last 3 weeks have been. The movements kind of been shit. CRVO, this one was lower volume. I should have just already added when I saw this candle off open. So now I'm waiting for a dip on it. Looking for the 45 pre-market break.
Break 7.
I think I do go a little red on this name. I get fucked up with the spreads and let's see. Oh, we take the break through 45 and through 50. Insta sell there when the bid was still down at 42. So got out a lot lower than we should have. Could have been selling there for 50, maybe blessed on a fill, maybe in between. But with the name moving like this, low volume could go either direction. I'm just kind of scared of it, to be honest.
Really?
These are the names that I'm not the most comfortable trading.
How did I just get scammed that hard on that?
I need to figure out how to stream at 1080 if that's possible. Hold on. Let's look at this one back.
How did I just get?
We're adding high. Look at this. Looking for the 65. Looking for green to push through that high of 65.
Really?
Should be adding there. By the time the green comes in, the ask is already at 84.
How did I just get
Blocked.
scammed that hard on that? 8 break.
Boom. What was my in there?
How-
Buying 82, selling 66. We're heading back though. We're not letting it discourage us. Boom. Another little loser. Yeah, I should really, if I am gonna trade shit that's moving like this, I need to be a lot more selective, a lot more precise, because I get fucked over real quick. This one, by like this, I mean higher price, spreadier, lower volume. This one isn't necessarily the best example of that, but it just kind of reminded me of one of those names with the way it was moving. I think I do get back to break even on this name. 75 was the daily low that I had marked there on the daily. I should probably have these marked as well. But yeah, I believe I do climb back to break even on this name. A little winner here. Let's check it out. Ooh, the actual decent one. We'll see. See why I get in here. Previous candle high is 78, high is 85. Adding there for the break of the previous candle high, looking for the 85 break. Still holding it.
No.
Breaks 85. So there, I could definitely still be holding this, looking for the break at 8.
97.
Probably sell there. I don't remember if this breaks 8 here or not. It's looking like it's going to. That there. Not getting past 97. I'm cutting for small profit. I'm keeping my risk as low as possible on this thing. Because I've already seen its teeth. Still looking for that 8 break. It's kind of still sitting up here. Let's see. Let's see this ad. In 87. Selling there for break even, that's fine. Back through 90. Yeah, I'm looking for it back through 90 because it's kind of been holding down. That's where this candle will go green. Definitely could have been looking for this dip in a 75. It's close to that little high here, and it's that
Candle, like,
daily low. 10-cent spread.
I just got.
Let's see. Ooh, it tests 8 here. Boom. Oh yeah, this was kind of like a teleport up to it. Kind of got. Oh, fucking blessed. Jesus Christ. Thank God. So I added as soon as those buyers came in, but it teleported up to 99, unluckily. But luckily, I got in 84 somehow. I could have been getting in 99 there, especially if I had a lot of shares.
Oh, fuck.
That definitely could have fucked me.
I just got fucking smoked.
Luckily, we didn't.
Yeah. Where that?
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, RGC.
Oh, I got.
Pretty sure this was unhauled straight to
Oh, I got
another.
in it. Really? Oh.
Boom. Oh. What the fuck?
Wait, what'd I get in at? Oh, I got in at.
I should ask Wyatt what he got in that, see if there was an opportunity there to. From my perspective, it was already fucking up. I didn't want to touch that. Acon. I was break even overall on this thing. It was kind of moving weird. It's a decent trade.
Sweet.
Oh, gave it an extra second there. I wasn't sure how much time I would need to give this. When I was looking on the 5, it looked like it was grinding a lot more. I should have recognized this.
Fuck.
It's not breaking 15.
Sweet.
Sell there. That's fine though. Break even instead of 1 cent win.
Yeah. Fuck.
Back on CRVO. Take a loss here.
RGL. Shit.
Oh, add late.
Fuck, I should just inserted RGL. Shit.
Yeah, that's bad. It's no
Fuck,
good.
I
That's
should've just
Jason right there. I'm like,
inserted
oh, give me
RGL.
in.
Shit.
Could have been a whole lot worse.
Alright, you actually want to continue, motherfucker?
Definitely a bad mistake there.
Oh, shit.
Looking for the first dip. Boom. Holding on
14. I keep soaked.
Soaked 14, I think. I was looking to get in. That's a decent trade. Looking to get in at that 14 level as it soaked it again, just because they were showing that they didn't want to break it under. Got on high at 24. Sold 36 to a little bust on the fill. So, decent trade. Definitely could have been a lot better, but I'll take it.
Fuck.
Need to not hesitate. Be quick on my reaction speed still. Kind of ugly now.
Again.
Good quick cut. Alright, we've seen this. I could have done a lot better. Could have done a lot worse. Oh, this motherfucker. This thing was kicking my ass early on.
Watch yelling.
I took a dumb first trade on it.
Where shares this is what I'm talking about.
This. If I'm gonna take a risky stab like this, I should know how it's moving. I think that. Let's see.
CRV is holding up.
It's not a good trade, but it's. I don't know. Thought I was gonna hold there. Sellers, 22.
CRV is holding up.
Looks like it's gonna pop back. Rejects.
I want this 50 break.
I should have looked at this. I mean, it's coming out in a view up every single one of these times, and I should have been more cautious of a bigger dip like that, so I didn't get smoked like that. So there's $5 I didn't have to lose. Ooh, a little toot. Come back to CRVO for the 50 bust. I think it rejects, so yeah. Come back to GLMT. Break over previous high and that 44 high day. Take another loser on it. This thing was a little wild early on. It reminded me of. Oh my god, I can't think of it.
Getting smoked in this thing.
Alright, now I gotta look. I'm thinking about it. I think it was last week.
Nah, whatever.
Was it AEON?
Oh.
I forgot the name.
Okay, 35. Could be worse.
But early on it was a little shaky. Like if you're trying to buy any higher than near the lows of the dip, then you're just gonna get smoked. So I recognized that semi early on. So I think let's see. Look at this, going for the dip. Interview up.
Yeah.
Under 20, holding there. Good quick cut, because this thing was whippy. So.
You hear that? My already.
I'm still kind of playing defense a little bit early on. Well, like I still was at this point. Just because I couldn't really catch a flow. I feel like the momentum wasn't quite in my favor yet. I feel like I was still in the fight, obviously, but
I just got alert on.
just like yeah, just kind of break even, just kind of floating, staying patient, waiting for something good to come up. Another dollar name, HYPR. This one was really low volume early on. I got a 27 triple top on the 1 minute. I think it was on the yeah. I saw it on the 5, so I came over to it. As you can tell, based off the fact that I'm trading that, the opportunity was
This looks good.
slim.
Oh.
It was slim pickings until something would go crazy, and then it'd be back. It was kind of just a consistent mover would be nice on some of these days. That's for sure. I don't want to sound ungrateful. We have gotten some, but
I missed it.
yeah. See, like I'm switching back and forth because they just keep fucking. They would die, something else start going, but then that would instantly die. The other one would be back up. You can't really stay on one and trust that it's gonna be worth your time because of how.
It's gonna squeeze hard. Okay.
Because of how shitty the movement was this morning, or how inconsistent it was, to say the least. Looking for the 50 bust, but I don't want to get in this high at the same time. So I'm kind of, I remember I was kind of hesitating here, like not knowing, not being entirely sure what to do. Take a stab there, just cut it really fast as soon as it's not going through. Just break even, which is fine. I'm happy with that. If this candle closes like this, new candle gets some volume, it would look good for the 50 busta. So I'm looking through, I see what happens at this new candle.
I missed it.
Ooh. Went for a dip. Insta cut there because I thought I was in. I'd recognize that I was by there. Instead, I'm getting there. Filled. Ooh, yeah, that could have been bad. I'm glad I insta cut. See, like that little hesitation got me filled like 6 cents higher than I wanted to be. I took a decent loser here. Let's see. Taking a stab at the 50 break high. New candle opens up, some volume comes in. That's break even. Looking for it to hold.
Yep.
I mean, what are we?
24.
Look at this. You missed it, buddy. Now we're at there.
Oh.
Oh, get you some of that one. Just once again, that 1 second hesitation. Fucked on the fill. Sizing that a little bit. Just because, once again, I'm in defense. I don't think that this will be the holy grail of today. So I'm not gonna. I don't want to take the risk of going big red and tilting myself.
That is a joke.
On some shit like this, or like on some shit when there's probably gonna be a better mover at some point today, like there has been, like there generally is. So still just biding my time.
No, why'd I just
Staying patient. So I'm sizing down, looking to be a little more selective. Avoid going too red. And then I think this breaks 50 by like I think it breaks it by like 3 pennies at first. I mean, this is a long. Yeah. Get you some of that. Trying to give it a second. Got it. No problems with that. I got in. I'm buying there. I'm buying low. That's good. What did I get in at? Ooh, a little bottom tick snipe. So that's why I had the confidence to give this an extra second. Sell there at 23, 10 center. Nothing wrong with that. I think this does end up going.
Fuck. Just
Green
one
funny
false with
enough.
your eyes there. Come on. Give it to us.
No, it doesn't.
It's really good.
I'm really happy with that trade. I'm gonna watch that one back. Long, looking flag here. This dip right up below view up it. Bang. Take that stab. Bottom tick that bitch. Yeah. Happy with that one.
Just one.
This actually looks really good.
Really good look on the 5 minute.
Fuck.
And on the 1 minute. Probably could have a downtrend drawn there.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're checking our Pinot. Oh, I think I just want to make sure.
Gotta stop being stupid.
Yeah, I shouldn't have been checking my Pinot earlier, to be honest with you. 370 should send this thing at least a chance to break 90. Let's see the trade I take on it. New candle trade. Bang. Over 65 and 70. It's not getting over 65, so I sell. Okay, good. Does it give it another shot here? Oy, oy, oy. In late there. Bang. Quick cut because I'm in late. Take it practically break even for the shares I'm trading and the way this thing's moving. Oh, this does. Let's see. I must have watched this thing go. Oh. Look at that bid. Oh. What's the highest I got up to there? Oh. By the time it broke, it was already down in the high 70s. Probably could have been taking a lot more stabs at this thing, especially when it's going for highs like that. But
No.
like I said, still kind of
just hitting something.
Being a little more hesitant on this thing, trying to be a little more selective because it's just I don't really feel the flow.
Like why?
Or I wasn't at the time, at least. All right, I want to go to
20 center. Yeah, that's pretty.
end up break even on this name. A couple good trades, couple bad trades. Like whatever. I'll go back later and look at it more.
Can't fucking catch either one.
Look at it more intricately. But see, feel like I'm trading like absolute dog shit at this point.
Can't fucking catch.
And I'm still. I think this is the most red that I went, if not a couple more bucks. So just kind of stay mentally in it is the big thing. Mentally and physically, obviously, with the P&L. So, yeah, to be honest, I'm not that upset about not doing that well with these. Let's see this one, a little quick one. Dip into 80. Kind of hesitated there, wanted to see some confirmation. Got me in high and forced me to sell quick. It's whatever. Where's my dog? Where is my dog at? CRVL, I missed it. Oh, look at this one. A little decent trade here.
Oh, what is... I just trolled.
I think I added late and it paid off, but looking for the break over 98 back to 405. Boom.
No, what is... I just
Yeah,
trolled
boy.
so hard.
Good re-add.
No, what is... I just trolled so hard.
Bangerang.
I got fucking half filled and my shit was just... Okay.
Take me to green or what
Shit
was
was
that?
just... Okay.
I shouldn't be checking my P&L this much. It's a bad habit, but so still just break even on the day. Just at this point, I'm like, this one might be the one. So probably could be pushing 125 shares instead of 75 on this name. It's not too like, not too whippy, not too sporadic a movement. Could definitely control my risk a little bit more. So for just a mental note. I think this ends up dying.
Actions.
Break even trade. Show me the. There's my dog. Early on, it looked like. I mean, if you look at this, it's not like the most exhilarating looking. What the fuck? Why this? It's not the most exhilarating looking chart, but did look like it was going to keep fading, consolidate for a while, and it's on its way back up, looking to get back over VWAP. So it has potential. Ooh, hold up. Let's see this one. Boom. Little two center. Should have yeah, I really should have re-added there. Drew 20 like that. So, re-add. Boom. Could have been 5 cents there.
35.
And I knew it too. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Bing, bing, dip into VWAP. Let's see if I could add this. There's VWAP.
I'll take this real quick.
Oh! Missed that one. Look at 14. Soak. Buyers.
Take this real quick. Oh.
Oh shit.
Was gonna go take a piss, and I'm like, nah.
ANTE maybe.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Look at her hair. That's how you know I'm serious.
26 to 42. Let's go.
You heard the call out. 26-42. Let's go, bitch. Straight up.
RGC as well.
This new candle on Ante, come on.
Looking for this candle to close like this.
Close this green.
Then push through 26 and at least go test that high, which I should have marked. But it's right there at like 32. 33 area. Buyers, I add, I like that. Good cut. Re-add, looking for it over to 30, 26 now. Just break even or 1 cent loss trades. Now I'm like, alright, we're gonna do it. Let's go, bitch. Fly. Bink. That's what the fuck we're talking about, baby. Run that one back. Boom. Through 25, through 26, right to 30. I'm like, we're going, bitch. Oh my god. I mean, if we're talking real here. Could have been getting out 35 here. Look at the timing. No, I'll take 34. It's fantastic. Little quick selly. Gotta hit the selly on the good trades, guys.
43 is the hold up. Break at 35.
Did I not? Hold up. Oh, I did have 250 shares. Good. Should have stayed at 250. Look at me kind of bitch out.
43 is the
Shouldn't be going on at 125 after a win like that. You got the momentum on your side, bitch. I just wasn't sure how strong the continuation would be. Yeah, but I think I do size back up to 250.
That sucked.
I shouldn't be sizing down like that. Like, that's how many shares I should be trading on this name. 250. At least. And then within the next, in the near future, obviously, pushing 400, 500 shares on a name like this. On the dollar names. So, now we're comfortable green. We got our first,
25.
good trade of the day. Feeling proud of myself for staying in it at this point. Didn't tilt or anything, so now it's just feel the flow, dog. Boom. Let's look at that one back. That's the next trade I took after that big win. Just looking for it to hold, looking for the turn. It reminds me of Ray when it was moving well. Wait for it to stop dipping. Wait for it. Looks like it's gonna turn. Add. If it doesn't immediately go, cut. If it goes, great, and just sell when it slows at the top. So that's how this was moving for a little bit on those dips.
Oh, shit. No.
I'm happy with that one too. I recognized, all right, this thing's going. I added high, but with confidence because of how strong this thing was moving and the fact that how it went up into this level. I figured we were going to get that break over 39 or at least test it. So it was a high add, but it paid off because I was confident, or because of the way. And look at this volume coming.
No.
In 36, out 41. Or sorry, in 37, I guess, out 41. So 4 center. Should have been on 250 shares. Would have been another $10. Instead, it's another $5. It's whatever. Size back up, you pussy. Dipping to 39. Might come lower though, so I'm looking for the turn. Boom. Good. A little bit of an early sell. Yeah. I think I was expecting more of a rip and more buyers to come in.
Oh, why did I sell?
Should be holding, selling there.
And it was at 45.
Boom, good job. Size back up to 250. Should have never sized down in the first place. Like, I felt the flow of this one, you know? You know. So, yeah, all that staying patient and keeping the losses small early on is paying off now. I'm like, okay, this is a strong mover. This is a price range that I feel very comfortable with.
Just need something to get me over the edge.
And see, yeah, I said it right there. I just needed something. But these are the type of names that I feel comfortable and where I can see exactly what's happening. Like, okay,
Hopefully
it's
that'll pay
dipping,
for my taxes.
it's dipping. Oh, it stopped. Here's the turn with the buyers. Oh, it stopped. Here's the sell. You know, you can feel the tide and see exactly what's happening on
the ones that are gonna pay for my taxes.
the tape.
Oh, and things move this. I mean,
Uh, it's good vibes. Let's see. I want to go for the piss. I've been holding this bitch for like 30 minutes.
Let me take a piss real quick.
Gotta piss like a goddamn Shetland pony. I think about it. Hold up. Coming back.
Fucking, I'm
it's holding
this.
it.
I don't want to miss this thing. We gotta pay for the rent somehow, guys.
Over 35.
We gotta pay for this fucking CPA somehow. Look at that. That piss would have costed me. Is that $8? It's an $8 piss.
25, you know, 30.
Possibly more. Let's see. Looking for it to get back over 39 and then the break of 45. I'm like, okay. Session this 39.40. Boom, through 40. Good quick cut because it stops. Need to be re-adding though. Let's see, dipping a 40, it holds. Oh, missed that one. That's a big missed op. Look at how strong this candle is. Look at this bitch. Whoosh. Whoosh. Come on. We gotta be looking for this quick dip. And then those buyers to come back in. It's a big, big misstop. I mean, look where this candle closes. Obviously, I wasn't looking at the time, but closes there, holds there. Buyers.
I should have been in there.
It's alright though. That 35 dip. After that 45 break, I want to look for it to hold higher and go for 50. So, didn't add it. Let's see. Next trade we took, half-cent winner. Looks like it's holding there near. Oh, I mean, there's not much more concrete evidence than that right there. Guilty. Bid just show up at 40. They show up at 41 too. I'm not sure why I sold that insta. On those free trades like that, I am just looking to secure profit just because it's like.
No, that was an accidental.
It's just a free trade. So
No,
it's like,
that was an
let me get this quick
accidental.
Not get greedy on the free ones like that. But should be reacting to what I see and not what I think. A little bit more. Those buyers stepped up.
My legs back and forth like a little kid.
I'm still holding my piss. It's been like an hour.
Break high.
Not an hour, but what was I gonna say? Yeah, those bids stepped up at 41 with it, so need to be trading what I see a little bit more instead of just my psychological, instead of my thoughts of what I need to do. Remarking that high. I think this, I believe this fades for a little bit. That maybe.
Lidocaine.
I should.
Took a dip into the VWAP. Into the WAP.
My fucking god, I need my lidocaine again.
Mysteries view op sellers. Holds there. Add. Boom. Little two Sienna.
No, I shouldn't have sold.
Sold a little prematurely. Let's see it again. I sell.
No, I shouldn't have sold.
Let's go screen
Yeah, I
number
sold too
30.
quick on that.
Sold. Boom. Stops 31 though.
What the fuck?
At this point, not
See?
really looking to take too many trades like here. Oh,
I'm right
finally.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Gotta piss when the opportunity comes.
Shit. Rev
Come
up those
back. Rev up those fryers.
table.
Gotta check the world t-shirts Reddit daily. You know that. Boom, baby. I think that was literally break even. Let's see. As high as 35. It's holding up here. Oh yeah, I had a little late there. In 35. Out 30. Yeah, it's a half cent one.
How about go 5 cents?
Could have been a cent and a half though if I would have added earlier.
Give me a 20 center. I'll shake it. 20.
Excuse me. Kind of grinded here for a little bit, I believe. Holding it. Let's feel the flow of it on this one real quick. 36 is the high. Or I should say this previous candle high. Buyers are coming in at it. Caught because it's not breaking the next level, just taking advantage of the free trade. Four, 35. No buyers coming in. Sell. They're the buyers.
Oh,
After I sold the a little unlucky. Oh, I re-had high. Let's see that one.
oh,
One cent lose. Yeah, that's fine. Over 38. Sell there when it's not going. Good timing. Back to 40 though. Might go here. Looking for those sellers to break down. Buyers are coming in. It's breaking down. Sell there when it's not breaking the next level. But now we're like, all right, we might be going for highs here. There's 44. Still holding up here.
candle.
New candle opens up. Aye. This little stab didn't work out. That's whatever. When it was like this, with names like this, it's kind of like as we saw it, like, fuck, when did I even take that? Whenever I took that 10 center, it was kind of just like that momentum come in and it can go. So you got to take the opportunity, like just take the chances, take those stabs when you think that might happen, and then just insta cut if it doesn't. Just keep the risk as low as possible. So
Light.
I'm fine with these
No.
Oh. I was gonna say I'm fine with these tiny losses when I'm taking that opportunity. Let's look.
Light.
Tape speed up. I'm in high, so I'm like, fuck, this needs to break right now, or I need to cut if it doesn't. Oh, look at the timing.
Light.
Look at the timing. Should have given it that half second. 1, 2. Should have given. That was only 2. Should have given it 3. 1, 2. Cut.
No.
Oh, there we go.
Quick dip.
Through 50 and through 54 is what we need. Yep, I wanted to break highs instantly there. I'm glad I insta cut that. I'm happy with that. Hold there. We need to go back over 50 right away and through highs. Nope. Sell it. Avoided a big loss there. That's good. I believe after this one. I believe it's unbelievable. What's so funny? Dude, I can't believe all those videos are all from one day in Boston. It's unbelievable.
Read the comments.
Are neuropathic. Why don't I just cut them off and get prosthetics? I just
Let's
Should we
see.
get
it on?
Tab view up there. Does it bounce here? I forget. Check that bad boy out. Oh, I gotta
Done.
see the celly. I don't even know what I did. Oh. Yeah, it's dead now, so we're looking back at the... Let's go.
Nonchalant Selly.
Relax. I think that's it for now. I think that's where it died down and I cut the stream. Oh, wait. A little quick winner here on GLMD. I felt bad. I thought I called it out, but I think Wyatt wasn't there, was doing something when I did. But this one I think was just a free one. Over 82, just looking to take any profit that it
Sugar alert.
gives. I figured it'll give at least a little bit of a pop, a few cents. New candle opens up. It's still holding up. Bid comes in. Buyers come in. I add. I want to see the break of 82. Quick sell. I'm glad I'm taking more shares. I don't know why I shouldn't have 75 on. Buyers come in there. Boom. 82. Sell.
85. Maybe we could help.
Fart.
Wait, what are you on?
GLMD.
5 cents
Alright.
profit.
Shit.
Faded is after this. And that was it.
Omegle.
Overall, pretty happy on the day. Like I said, most happy about staying in it early on when I definitely my prior self would have probably tilted a little more and probably been a little more out of it mentally by the time that popped up. But there's really no reason to be frustrated. The movement was shit. I was near break even. One good trade and I would have been green like I was. So yeah. Decent day. 2.2 profit factor, which is a big upgrade from first 2 weeks this month. I've been averaging 1.24, which is well below where I want to be. And where I think I should be, especially when I'm looking to size up and start making a lot more. So, yeah. Today was a good day. Green $80. And yeah, that's it. Spring, green, green.